Hello everyone, I'm Takachen. 2026 has just begun, and the smartphone market is already buzzing. There's a new phone that, even as a tech enthusiast myself, really impressed me when I unboxed it. That's the star of this episode, the iQOO Z11 Turbo. At first, I thought it was just a mid-range phone focused on value for money, but after using it for a few days, I realized it's more like a little warrior trying to break the rules. Instead of cutting corners for the sake of price, it actually gave me the feeling in terms of build quality, performance, and battery life that made me wonder, is this really not a flagship phone? That's the kind of impression it left on me. The one I have here is in the glimmer pink color. It's not that tacky, flashy pink, but rather a subtle, matte pink with a refined texture. Under sunlight, you can even see a fine shimmer. It's elegant and stylish. The phone features a metal frame and a glass back, giving it a premium feel that's right up there with flagship models. What's especially comfortable is its large rounded corner frame design, which fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. On the front, there's a 6.59-inch flat display that's comfortable to hold one-handed, whether you're watching videos or typing. Plus, the second-generation iCare Super Display uses brand-new flagship-grade luminous materials, delivering a leap forward in 6 key aspects of screen experience. The visually uniform bezels on all 4 sides make for a wider field of view and a more immersive experience. The second-generation iQOO iCare technology has been fully upgraded, supporting multi-mode eye protection adjustments that intelligently adapt to different scenarios, safeguarding your eye health around the clock. When it comes to performance, that's always been the core strength of the iQOO Z series. The iQOO Z11 Turbo is equipped with a top-tier 5th-generation Snapdragon 8 chip in the Android camp, delivering next-level powerful performance. Paired with the self-developed Q2 eSports independent display chip and the Monster engine for tuning, the synergy between hardware and software allows games to achieve frame rates and ultra-clear graphics beyond native levels, providing a more stable and smoother experience. Take Honor of Kings as an example. It can easily run at 144 frames per second for a high frame rate experience, with silky smooth visuals and precise lag-free skill releases. Looking at Genshin Impact at 144 frames per second, the performance is also outstanding, with frame rates remaining stable and showing little fluctuation over half an hour of gameplay. The outstanding sustained performance is thanks to its iStone dual network cooling system. With an extra-large VC vapor chamber and a highly conductive graphite layer, it quickly dissipates heat even during long sessions of high-load gaming, completely eliminating any hot-to-the-touch feeling. Now that we've talked about performance, let's take a look at its battery life. The iQOO Z11 Turbo packs a 7,600 mAh ultra-thin blue ocean battery into a body that's just 8.1mm thick. After my 4-hour continuous battery drain test, it still had 82% power left. With this kind of performance, even if you're a hardcore gamer, it should easily last you a whole day. It also supports 100-watt ultra-fast flash charging. In my actual charging test, it took 48 minutes to go from 1% to 100%. You can head out in the morning without any rush, and even if you're playing while charging at home, there's no need to worry. The practical Global Direct Power Supply 2.0 feature bypasses the battery and delivers power directly to the motherboard, which not only reduces battery heating, but also effectively extends battery lifespan. It's truly a blessing for hardcore gamers. The camera has also made a significant leap this time. In the past, for phones in this price range, as long as the camera could scan QR codes, that was enough. But the iQOO Z11 Turbo actually uses a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 main camera with OIS optical image stabilization. Even when you zoom in and crop the photos, it still preserves plenty of detail. The photo album also comes with a variety of AI photo editing features, especially the AI movie storyboard function, which lets you freely compose and crop your photos into cinematic storyboard shots with a stronger atmosphere. It supports 4 times lossless zoom and up to 40 times digital zoom. Although it doesn't have a telephoto lens, when shooting distance scenes, you can turn on the telephoto enhancement feature, making faraway subjects just as easy to capture, with text remaining clearly visible. When it comes to the finer details, the iQOO Z11 Turbo really gives you everything it can. It supports 3D ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking, so just a light touch of your finger wakes up the screen and takes you to the homepage. Even if you miss a bit, it still unlocks. Additionally, IP68 and IP69 levels of dust and water resistance come standard, greatly improving its durability. It comes with stereo dual speakers, an X-axis linear motor, infrared remote control, and multifunctional NFC. Nothing is missing. It's like a jack-of-all-trades phone, fully meeting users' everyday needs from every angle. Based on my recent experience, the iQOO Z11 Turbo brings flagship-level quality, performance, and battery life into everyday reach. It also offers a solid photography experience and a bunch of practical features, making it easy for everyone to enjoy the convenience and joy that technology brings. If you're a pragmatist, then the iQOO Z11 Turbo definitely deserves a spot at the top of your list. I believe once you use it, you might not want to switch to anything else. That's it for this video. See you next time.